Hey, it's Derek from Big School of Chicken. Hey, if you don't have time or you're running out of time and you don't want to get popped by bacon, set your oven to 420. Put your bacon on a sheet, aluminum foil it, and throw it in your oven cold. Go finish what you're doing, brushing your teeth, getting your clothes on. Come back in 15 to 20 minutes and you got crispy, crispy bacon. Put it in a breakfast bowl with rice and eggs. And you got it made. Coming soon, I'll show you the breakfast bowl. There you go. You just gotta put it in there cold. And then by the time the oven heats up, your bacon is ready. Oh, see what I'm talking about, folks? Straight from the oven. Crispy bacon. Not pop once. I didn't holler not one time getting this bacon out. I'm talking about people who cook bacon on the stove or on a griddle in the oven, crispy bacon. I know what y'all thinking. Damn, that pan been through war. But you talking about a pan that cooks better eggs than anything you've ever seen before, ever. All that extra on there, cook a good egg. Also, folks, use a little bit of that bacon grease. I didn't say this was the healthiest breakfast. Little bacon grease, little flame like the old days. Nothing cooks better than the flame. Turn it down a little bit. Now, when you cook your eggs, right? Oh, you cook your eggs. See that one hand? That boy got talent. When you cook your eggs, so when you're cooking eggs, right, you gotta let it get a little white when you're scrambling eggs. Don't mix it with milk, all that kind of good stuff. You want to immediately get it with milk, get it with the milk. And then once you get it with the milk, it's yellow. Man, I like my eggs a little white. Give me a little Himalayan salt. Tap some of that in there like that. Just a little bit. I know Texas, a little pepper on my eggs. Then when it starts to get like that, oh, sorry about that, folks. Start to get like that, you get your fork out. You hit it, hey. Hey, there you go. Yo. I know what y'all saying. That guy using a fork on a non-stick pan. It's all right. My pan right here been through it all. You can't scratch it. So, guys, I'm going to show you the quickest breakfast in the world. It's called breakfast bowl, right? Got you some eggs, hence the name breakfast bowl. Get you a bowl to put your eggs in. Usually I would have a pot of rice on or a pot from the other day on, but I don't. But what my son does, if you never had this jasmine rice before, they come in all different flavors too. Jalapeno, chicken, etc., etc. Drop it in the microwave for 60 seconds or 1 minute. Be right back. Right in that bowl. I ain't no chef. I ain't never went to school. But damn it, I can straight up get it done. So you come over here. Morning. Come over here. Like this. Take this. Move it over here. Get it out of the way. Portable. Chopping. Okay, get your little portable one. Every great barbecue guy from North Carolina has a hatchet. 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces of bacon or 3 pieces of bacon, whichever one is best for you. Bam. Need to crumble it up like that because that bacon is extra crispy. I like it. The only way I like to eat bacon is crispy. Okay? As I said before, not the healthiest, but not the not healthiest. Take that right there, rice. Bam! Drop that rice in there. Drop that rice in there. Boom. That's why you got the folding one. Pick it up like this. Your job is not to drop the bacon. Okay. There's only one other thing that will complete this dish, and that's if you slide your butter out like this. So, folks, just to let you know, if you remember going to your grandma's house back in the day, she did not keep her butter in the refrigerator. Why? Because real butter you can keep out. You don't believe me? Check it. Just think back in the day why your butter was so soft. I'm not talking about Parkay. It's not real butter. I'm talking about real butter. You don't have to refrigerate. Don't turn, don't mold, tastes great. And that's it. There it is, folks. Breakfast bowl. My wife likes to add sriracha to hers. Every now and then I may put a little hot sauce in there. Bacon, eggs, rice, butter, or sausage, or Italian sausage, or smoked sausage, or ham. Whatever you like to do. Chop it, put it in there, enjoy.